Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. If you're looking for a classic, easy to use stapler, I highly recommend this one here from Swingline. You're not going to go wrong with this one. So it says that it can do up to 15 sheets in capacity. So we're doing 16 sheets here just to really test it out. And here we go. The Swingline stapler staples these 16 pages together with ease, and it looks nice and clean. The staple remover works well also. I really think that the matte black looks great on a desk, or it looks really cool hanging up on your pegboard with all your other office supplies and needs. The Swingline brand has been around for a long time, and they do guarantee their performance, which is what I really look forward to in a product. So if you're looking for a great stapler and a stapler remover to add to your office supplies, I highly recommend this one here from Swingline, and that's my point of view.